In a world where environmental responsibility is paramount, one company stands out as your premier waste management solution. Welcome to AMC Waste Services. At AMC Waste Services, we've been dedicated to providing a top-notch residential dumpster rental in West Columbia, South Carolina. Our skilled team of professionals is committed to ensuring that your waste management needs are met efficiently and carefully. We've invested in cutting-edge technology and equipment to streamline waste disposal, minimizing environmental impact. Whether it's commercial waste, industrial waste, or residential waste, we have the expertise to handle it all. Our fleet of eco-friendly vehicles ensures that we transport waste safely and responsibly, reducing our carbon footprint. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to customer satisfaction. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.amc-waste.com to learn more about our services, view pricing, and get in touch. You can also call us at 803-408-9990 to speak with our friendly team and discuss your waste management needs. AMC Waste Services is your trusted partner in waste management. Join us in making a difference today. Together, we can create a cleaner and more sustainable future.